Hello friends, Pondicherry University has started its admission process, admission for 2020 and 21. The Pondicherry University is a central university, and if you want to get into this university, it is a very easy process, and so we are going to start from the important dates. The first, you can see here, the online registration start on 8th July 2020. Last date for online registration 31st July 2020. Date of entrance examination 21st, 22nd and 23rd August 2020. All dates given above are tentative, subject to position of COVID-19. These dates are tentative, and these dates may be changed according the situation of COVID-19. Let's talk about the fee structure. First, you remember this application fee per course in rupees. If you want to apply more than one course, the fee will be different. So remember these things. This fee structure is only for a particular and only for a one course. So for PG, a student from SC/ST category, they have to pay 300. For PH and transgender, nil. There is no fee for PH and transgender, and other like general and OBC, they have to pay 600. For PhD student, SC/ST 500, and transgender nil. There is no fee for transgender and PH student in all courses, and for other 1000. For MBA, for SC/ST student, here is a 500, and transgender and gender nil, and 1000 for general and OBC and other. Here's the one important thing: use separate application for each program. So if you want to apply for more than one course, you have to use separate application for each program. And payment of application fee can be made only through online mode from 8th July 2020. That was about fee payment and application form. Let's talk about the mode of examination. So you will see here online based entrance test at designated center. For further detail, visit the university website. So here are the examination center: Aizawl, Allahabad, Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Coimbatore, Chandigarh, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Imphal, Jaipur, Karaikal, Kochi, Kolkata, Kozhikode, Kottayam, Kakinada, Lucknow, Madurai, Mangalore, Mahe, Mumbai, New Delhi, Vellore, Patna, Port Blair, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Pondicherry, Pune, Ranchi, Sambalpur, and Shillong, Srinagar, Thiruvananthapuram, Tiruchirappalli, Vijayawada and Visakhapatnam. These are the examination center. Reservation for OBC, SC/ST and economically weaker section and differently able, and the Pondicherry candidate will be applicable to extent indicated in the prospectus. So for the reservation, you have to go through the prospectus of Pondicherry University. Their reservation is clearly mentioned there about the different categories. The selection process is mentioned here. For PG courses except MBA part-time, LLM and MPed, selection will be based on entrance examination. For LLM course, selection will be based on entrance exam, group discussion, presentation and personal interview. So remember this thing. For the candidate who are applying for LLM, the process is different for the PG students. For MPed course, selection will be based on entrance examination and physical fitness test. And the selection for the PhD courses, admission is based on entrance test, JRF and interview. So remember here, for the PhD student, the interview is also here. For PG, there are selection only. The selection is only based on entrance examination, but for LLM and MPed, the selection process is totally changed. And for PhD, entrance and JRF and interview as well. These were the detail for the Pondicherry University admission 2020. So let's wait for a detailed video about the process of the admission. So we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.